Hey travelers, planning your next trip but don't want to burn a hole in your pocket? So stick around till the end because today I'm going to share with you 10 budget-friendly travel destinations that Indian travelers like you can visit without worrying about breaking the bank. Traveling the world does not always have to be expensive, and I have got some amazing spots you can explore while staying within the budget. Whether it's an adventurous trek or a relaxing beach holiday, I have got a destination for every kind of traveler. So let's dive in. First up, we have Vietnam. A 7-day trip here will cost you between 40,000 to 60,000 rupees. Vietnam is perfect for travelers who want cheap accommodation, delicious street food and beautiful sights like Halong Bay and the Cu Chi Tunnels, all on a budget. And guess what? You can get an e-visa easily. Next up on the list, Thailand, one of the most popular budget destinations for Indians. Expect to spend around 50,000 to 70,000 for a week in Thailand. Stay in budget-friendly hotels, eat street food for as low as 200 rupees and enjoy the amazing beaches in Phuket and Krabi. Plus, Indian passport holders get a visa on arrival for up to 30 days. It's an absolute deal. Sri Lanka is up next. You can have an unforgettable 7-day trip here for 35,000 to 55,000 rupees. And the best part? You don't need a visa to visit Sri Lanka. Enjoy local flavors like rice and curry, visit the beautiful beaches and explore historic temples, all on a budget. And if you're looking for something super close to India, then head to Nepal. With a budget of 20,000 to 40,000, you can explore the Himalayas, the ancient city of Kathmandu and enjoy trekking on a budget. And the best part, you don't even need a visa if you're an Indian citizen. But if you're dreaming of a tropical vacation, Bali, Indonesia is a must. A 7-day trip to Bali costs around 60,000 to 90,000. You will get amazing beaches, water sports and unique culture all for a reasonable price. Plus, the Indonesian visa on arrival process is super simple. Next, let's talk about Cambodia, a hidden gem. You can explore this incredible country for 30,000 to 50,000 for a 7-day trip. Visit the famous Angkor Wat, enjoy local cuisine like Khmer curry and experience rich history, all without breaking the bank. Cambodian visas are easy to get online too. Malaysia is next on our list. For 50,000 to 70,000, you can explore Kuala Lumpur, Penang and even tropical islands like Langkawi. The street food is delicious and the public transport system makes it super easy to get around without spending much. Now how about a bit of history and culture? Head to Turkey for a budget-friendly European experience. You can explore Istanbul, Cappadocia and more for 70,000 to 90,000 with great street food and affordable accommodation. Turkey offers the perfect blend of culture and adventure. Next, explore Egypt for 50,000 to 70,000. From the pyramids of Giza to the Nile River, Egypt offers history, adventure and unforgettable sights all on a budget. Enjoy Egyptian street food for 150 to 300 rupees and with an e-visa option, getting to Egypt is as easy as a pie. And finally, we have Georgia, a country you might not have thought of but is definitely worth visiting. With a budget of 45,000 to 65,000, you can explore the scenic beauty of the Caucasus Mountains and the cultural capital Tbilisi. E-visa is required for Indian citizens, which is super easy to get. So there you have it folks, 10 budget-friendly travel destinations that will let you explore the world without burning a hole in your pocket. If you're planning your next trip, make sure to check out Supreme Forex for all your currency exchange needs to get the best rates and hassle-free service. Don't forget to drop a comment about which destination you're planning to visit next. Safe travels!